Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a professional-looking carousel slider to your free website but had no idea how to start, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how to make a carousel slider in Canva and then seamlessly embed it onto your website, no coding experience needed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek and interactive carousel that'll make your site stand out and grab your visitors' attention. Alright, let's not waste any time and dive straight into the process. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to assume you already have your carousel design created in Canva. Maybe it's a series of images, testimonials, or portfolio pieces you want to display. Just make sure it's all set up and ready to go in Canva. Once you're looking at your finished carousel in Canva, start by going up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is the gateway for all your exporting and sharing options. Sometimes it can feel like there are a lot of things hiding in that menu, but stick with me. After clicking Share, you'll see a bunch of quick options, but what we want is even further in. Look for the three dots labeled More or See All. This is usually next to the main Share options. Clicking these three dots will reveal even more ways to use your Canva project, and among these options you'll find one labeled Embed. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll see two choices, Embed and HTML Embed Code. For those of you who are using Canva's free website feature, we'll focus first on the Smart Embed link. Clicking Embed, you'll see the option to copy a Smart Embed link. Go ahead and click to copy this link. This link is like a little window to your carousel that you can drop into your website. It keeps your content interactive and automatically up to date if you make changes in Canva. Now head over to your Canva free website editor and it's time to add the carousel. Click on Apps, usually found in your editor's side panel. From here, select Embed. You'll see a space where you can paste in the Smart Embed link you just copied. Paste it in and click Add to Design or whatever the equivalent button is. It might take a moment, but soon you'll see your beautiful carousel slider sitting right on your website page, just like magic. But what if you're using a platform other than Canva's free website? Maybe you're on Wix, WordPress, or another builder. No worries, you'll follow a similar process. Go to Share, hit the three dots, find Embed, and this time copy the full HTML embed code instead of just the link. This code is like a universal translator. Websites that support HTML widgets will read this code and show your carousel just as it appears in Canva. Once you've copied that embed code, simply head over to whatever website builder you're using. Look for an option to add HTML or embed custom code. Every builder phrases this a bit differently. Paste in the code and publish or preview your page. Your Canva carousel will now display for visitors wherever you place it. And that's it, it really is that straightforward. Remember, don't stress if it takes a moment for the embed to load or if you need to adjust the size a bit. Canva and most website platforms make it pretty easy to tweak things until it looks just right. I hope this helped you add a beautiful interactive slider to your site without any headaches. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or hit a snag, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.